I don't know how to act, and I need to calm down.
Already know she putting on, cause when she hit the club, heads turn all around. She living it up, drink up in a cup. I'm in love from afar. Baby girl, I wanna be where you are. Where you are, baby.
I've already took the wig out of the pack, so I have partial packaging. This is the tag that comes with the wig. It tells you the name, Freetress Equal Freedom Part Lace Front, number 204. And it also lets you know that it is a rotating part, so you can do it from left to middle to right. It's up to you. Now I'm just showing you the movement and the body of the wig. This is a really nice wig for the price. I did cut it, however, because it was a little too long for my liking, but you do not have to do that. Now with the part, I did not touch it or pluck it. I left it as is because I think it's a great part. Now you have two clips in the front of the wig. You have a nice middle part going on. They give you enough lace to do what you got to do. And you get a back clip as well. Now y'all know I'm new to the wig community. But when I first saw this wig, what I totally liked about it, and when I put it on, look at that. The fact that it's just lace before you cut the lace off. And this is only $50 hair. This is a $50 wig. Like, where they do that at? Like, come on now. Like, it's sitting there. But if I was really crazy, I'd walk outside like this and be like, what lace? This is so cute. Okay, so let's get the color.
When she hit the club, heads turn all around. She living it up, drink up in a cup. I'm in love from afar. Baby girl, I wanna be where you are. Baby girl, I wanna be where you are.
You can turn the part. I didn't do that yet. Wait, let me put my lashes on. I have to put the lashes on. Okay, y'all. I was sitting down, but I had to stand up because I'm really feeling this here. So, I had to put my lashes on. Y'all know how that goes. You gotta get the feel of what you looking like while you looking it. And, yeah. I really feel like I picked the wrong day to make a video. First of all, I've been wanting to make this video for a minute. And it's just so much noise. I couldn't find the right light. It's not that bright today. The maintenance man want to be mowing the lawn and all this extra stuff, like, wait a minute. But overall, y'all, I like this hair. But y'all know I'm gonna keep it 100 with you all, because that's what I'm here for. This hair is nice. I like it. I used to wear Equal back in my high school days, but this hair does get tangled. And I remember when I did used to wear Equal, I used to eventually curl it, because when you curl it, not tight curl, it doesn't have to be tight curls, but when you do put a little curl in it, it's a lot easier to maintain. And if it does get tangled, it's really not as noticeable because it's like a soft curl, so you can't tell, if that makes sense. Overall, like, you want to go out for a night, you're gonna look cute regardless. Let me tuck it. You know, we love tucking our hair. What is that about? What is that about? Oh. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. Long hair do so. Like, I had the short wig, I was feeling it, but the long hair bring out that and a hot girl. Like, what? Huh? So I'm gonna simmer down just a little. But y'all, yes. Oh, I gotta show y'all another one. So me and your dude, like, I wanna see other people. And you're like, what? I think I wanna see other people. Oh, okay. Huh? You wanna see her? You wanna see her? Yeah, she's available anytime you need her, anytime you need a friend. If you want the other one back, you miss her, I can. This what you wanna see? I mean, like her edges down. Yeah, y'all, the wig flips. I think I said that. Yeah, it flips. You can see her if you like. So you know who you talking to. You talking to the other one. Wait, let me cuff it. Okay, you good. Yes. But this wig is everything and more. Again, I told y'all the tangleness. But if you can deal with that, you can deal with anything. But yeah, it's really cute. Did I mention I got this at my local beauty supply store, but you can get it online for way cheaper. I had to pay $50 in store. It's like 23 something online, but it was out of stock. And the crazy part about it, when I went to the beauty supply store, this was the last one. So this hair is very popular. Like regardless of, you know, it not being bundles, who gonna tell you it's not? But I hope you all enjoyed the video. You got a lot out of it. Again, y'all know my little sayings. Comment, like, subscribe. Like that video. Like it. Like it. Please. Got the views, but I need y'all to like the video. So if you like it, like it. Yeah. Okay. Stay tuned, guys. Bye.